So this video is for the beginners, and I just want to show you guys one quick thing. When you see a product selling on Amazon, this is what is a hijacker called. So you can't just go and say, look at this pet glove. Wow, it looks great. I see it on Alibaba. And then go and try to sell it because you see all the money, okay? And then some people will try and go and sell on this listing. They hit sell on Amazon, or when they go to add a product, they add literally this product. You can't do that. You need to make a new listing, okay? And anybody can come and sell on your listing. You can get them taken off, but you need to do a process. And you can make it so that nobody else can see this sell on Amazon button there when you get brand registry, and you get that by having a trademark. So here's some basics, and now we'll go into the video. If you guys got any questions, let me know and I'll further explain it. So if you do go ahead and sell on somebody's listing, you're infringing on their rights. You can get your account banned from Amazon and banned permanently, and you do not want that to happen to you. So make sure that you always make a new listing. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about what hijackers are on Amazon, and they are your worst nightmare if you are a seller. So I want to start off by telling my story of what happened to me. So essentially, the concept of the hijacker is when somebody goes on your listing and you don't have brand registry and they're able to sell on it. Okay, so this happened with me, and I was doing the solar eclipse, and I did all of my research. I contacted over 70 different manufacturers, all right? I found the best glasses, the real ones that would actually protect people's eyes, unlike all of the other ones on the market. And, I built up this brand. I had all these different glasses. I built these goggles. Ooh, my hair is staticky. Oh, let's get full screen for this. This is a serious moment right here. All right, so I built these. These were awesome. Best Eclipse viewers. Got everything going. Built this brand up. So hard. And then I created it, and I didn't have a trademark in time because it takes 7 months to get a trademark from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. I was able to get in brand registry 1.0, and so I was able to make my listings and have control of it, but people would come on my listing and sell all the time. And I had the most counterfeited product on frickin' Amazon. Like, I swear. They were selling them literally just buckets and buckets full. I had a place in my house that was called Counterfeit Corner, and that was where I just buy boxes of that stuff and just throw it and be pissed. That was all because I did not have brand registry 2.0, and people could just come on my listing and sell. It can really ruin people's lives. So this is a warning to newer sellers. Do not just go and sell on a listing. A lot of people, if you've been selling, you're like, what? Why would you do that? But no, okay, you cannot just go sell on somebody else's listing. They put all the hard work into building that brand, that listing, and everything, and you're playing with fire. You get yourself in legal troubles, so many things. But like I was saying with mine, they were selling these garbage glasses that didn't actually protect people's eyes. And then they even said they were made by my manufacturer and everything. They had my brand name on them. I own the website and everything. And you know what? Amazon wouldn't take them down. Well, I was able to get them down eventually, but I had to work so hard. At first, when it happened, it was one of the worst things. Like, we had just finally gotten sales going really good, a couple thousand a day, and then it happened. And I was able to lower the price to get the buy box back, and that's what happens because they're selling from China. But then eventually they started to send in into Amazon and take the buy box away from me, and there was just not much I could do except buy all of their inventory and report it. So that's the way you get rid of a hijacker: is you buy it and you say, hey, this is fake. That's not real. But just overall, with what happened to me, I got the most counterfeited product, and it was really hard on me. So don't do that to somebody else, please, because it was literally to the point where I broke my elbow right there. So I went home from the hospital and I started to work. They cut open my chest because of my heart condition, and they broke all the bones in my chest, put a bar in. One of the most painful surgeries you can get in the world. I woke up from that surgery. Well, actually, right before that surgery, I got a hijacker at 3 a.m, and I had surgery at 8:30. So I was working until the minute I went in. And literally in the operating room, I was there. Or in the waiting lobby, I was there on the guest computer, logged into my Amazon account, trying to fire off emails to the Amazon legal team just to get all these crap people off my listing. And didn't work. I woke up from the surgery and I had more on them. So I literally had to work for 12 hours straight after getting one of the most painful surgeries in the world. And that was one of the hardest times of my life. And so yeah, but I was able to get through it and eventually won. And literally all the bad glasses on Amazon got taken off, and it was just me and a couple people left at the end. This is kind of a cool story, but don't hijack people, and you will probably get hijacked yourself. So if you guys are wondering how to protect your listing from hijackers, it's explained later in the course, but always differentiating your product is going to help, and there's other ways to get them taken off too. Overall, this was a pitfall that I see some people running into. Don't do this. And now we'll go into some more pitfalls that people run into.